You're 15 minutes into your flight when the captain suddenly announces you're turning back. No one knows why. The crew stays calm, but something's clearly wrong. What would you do? This is exactly what happened on AirAsia Flight AK128 on March 26, 2025. The flight had taken off from Kuala Lumpur International Airport, bound for Shenzhen, China, aboard an Airbus A320 with 171 passengers and 6 crew on board. The skies were calm. Passengers were settling in, some drifting off to sleep. But then, inside the cockpit, warning lights flashed, an engine anomaly. It wasn't clear if it was a fire or a mechanical issue, but the message was serious enough for the pilots to act fast. They declared an emergency. In moments like these, every second counts. The pilots turned the aircraft around and requested an immediate landing back at KLIA. Passengers on board had no idea what exactly was happening, only that the flight was going back, fast. On the ground, emergency services were already preparing. Fire trucks lined the runway, lights flashing, as Flight AK-128 made its final approach. At 12:06 a.m., the aircraft touched down safely at KLIA Terminal 2. No smoke. No fire. No injuries. All passengers and crew disembarked safely. But what really triggered this emergency return? Initial reports speculated an engine fire, but AirAsia quickly clarified there was no fire. The investigation revealed that a damaged duct had been releasing hot air, which triggered a sensor and set off the alert. In other words, the system did exactly what it was designed to do: warn the crew before things could get worse. Malaysia's Civil Aviation Authority is now investigating the incident, and the aircraft is expected to return to service by March 31st. This incident highlights what most passengers never see: the layers of safety built into modern aviation. From advanced sensors and alert systems to highly trained pilots making split-second decisions, everything worked as it should. Flight AK-128 didn't become a tragedy. It became proof that aviation safety works. And next time you're flying and something feels off, remember, your pilots are trained for it. The systems are watching. And more often than not, you're safer than you think. If you found this breakdown interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more real aviation stories that remind us just how much goes into keeping us safe in the skies.